Welcome, here I've got KRUGER MATZ Move 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the location option. As you can see, by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, like that. And this option allows us to save the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also, the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. From here let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button. So here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. To check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have access to the map and the location. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.